Did you know Victory with Ash is onboarding people in a way that has nothing to do with hierarchy, referrals, or who got in first? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the onboarding waves work, and why understanding the community values behind it could be the key to your invitation, even if you haven't gotten one yet. Hey, I'm Lisa, and honestly, a few weeks ago, I was completely confused about the whole Victory with Ash onboarding thing. I kept hearing that people were being invited, and meanwhile, I was sitting there thinking, did I miss something? Am I supposed to be doing something? I tried digging through chats, watching updates, asking people questions, and the more I tried to figure it out, the more overwhelmed I felt. But once I finally understood how the process actually works, and the values behind it, everything suddenly made sense. It wasn't about being first or being special. It was about alignment, integrity, and community. And ever since then, I felt way more calm and way more confident about where I'm heading. So if you've been feeling left out or confused, trust me, you're not alone. I'm here to help make all of this clearer so you can move forward without all that stress. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to break everything down into 4 simple steps so you walk away with a clear understanding of how the onboarding process actually works, without the rumors, without the confusion, and without overthinking it. So let's start with this whole idea of waves, because that's where most of the confusion comes from. And honestly, I get it. When you hear that one group is getting in before another, it's easy to think it's some kind of ranking system or favoritism. But it's not that at all. What's actually happening is a structured rollout. Victory with Ash is bringing people in stages so the community grows the right way, steady, stable, and aligned. It's kind of like building a house. You don't decorate the living room before you pour the foundation. Here's how it breaks down. Wave 1 was the priority group, people who were already deeply aligned with the mission. Wave 2 is happening now. This is where people are being privately invited by someone who's already inside. And eventually, there will be a public entry point where the doors open for everyone to join freely. So if you've been worrying like, why them and not me? Take a breath. It's not personal. It's just part of the rollout. And here's the part I really want to emphasize. No one is getting left out. The only exceptions are people who were openly damaging or negative toward the company. And that's just common sense. Any community needs to protect itself from toxicity. But for everyone else, you're not missing out on anything. Everyone sees the same platform once they're inside. There aren't any secret sections or hidden advantages. And if you're wondering whether being earlier means you get some kind of head start, hold that thought, because we're going to get into that later. Spoiler, it doesn't. All right, step 2. Let's talk about why the invitation system is private at the moment, because this is where a lot of the speculation comes in. Private invitations are not about exclusivity or status. They're about creating the right environment. Think about it. If you were building a community that's supposed to be supportive, positive, and focused on growth, you'd want to bring in people who actually reflect that energy. Victory with Ash is doing exactly that. They're paying attention to prosody. How people talk, how they handle updates, whether they're patient, whether they respect others, and whether they follow the guidelines. Basically, they're observing how people behave before they enter the community, which is actually really smart. Because let's be honest, once a community goes public, it's harder to filter out negativity. This stage is part of what the company calls the pruning process, and it's not about judging people. It's about protecting the culture. That way, when the doors open wide, the foundation is already healthy. And if you're thinking, okay, but what if I'm not invited yet? Again, it's totally fine. This is temporary. And remember, early access doesn't give anyone a special advantage. Everyone gets the same tools, the same modules, the same everything once they're in. So don't feel like you're behind. You're not. You're exactly where you're supposed to be in the rollout. Step 3 is where things get interesting, because Victory with Ash handles community differently than most places. Inside Victory with Ash, who you join actually matters, but not because someone gives you benefits or puts you ahead. It matters because the relationship matters. This isn't like choosing a team leader or trying to join someone who you think will get you results. There's no hierarchy here. There's no ranking system. There's no, join this person and you'll get more. Instead, it's about alignment. Ask yourself, do I trust this person? Do I like their energy? Can I learn from them? Do they respect people? Are they aligned with the values? And do I want to walk this journey with them? It's a two-way street. Someone might feel good about inviting you, but you should also feel good about accepting. Your circle should feel like a space where you're supported and encouraged, not pressured or judged. And the cool thing? You can become the kind of person people want in their circle too. If you're positive, uplifting, respectful, and willing to help others, people will naturally gravitate toward you. This part is really important because Victory with Ash isn't built on passive income or sign up and sit back. It's built on learning, growing, and supporting each other. And in a minute, I'm going to explain why it doesn't matter what you've done before, why your past success, failure, or experience doesn't change anything inside Victory with Ash. Okay, step 4. And honestly, this is one of the most refreshing things about the entire onboarding process. Victory with Ash brings everyone in on a blank canvas. What does that mean? It means your past doesn't matter. Your rank doesn't matter. Your history doesn't matter. Whether you were in the first wave or the public phase doesn't matter. Everyone enters through the same door. Everyone starts at the same level. Everyone gets the exact same access. There's no seniority, no hierarchy, no special positions, no head starts. And here's what a lot of people don't realize. The training modules, the core of Victory with Ash, won't even begin until the CEO feels the right number of people have been onboarded. So even the people who joined early, they're just waiting like everyone else. Nobody is learning ahead of you. Nobody is building ahead of you. Nobody is racing ahead. This is the opposite of the typical early bird advantage mindset. Victory with Ash is built on unity, not urgency. And honestly, that's what makes the whole experience feel so fair. Everyone gets a clean slate, a real fresh start, no matter where they came from. So now you have the full picture. The onboarding waves, why invitations are private, how to choose the right circle, and why the blank canvas approach makes this entire system fair for everyone. You can finally stop stressing about timing. Stop wondering if you're behind. Stop comparing yourself to people who got in earlier. Because now you know the truth. Victory with Ash is designed to bring people in the right way, the healthy way, the aligned way. And now that you understand the values behind it, you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If this helped make things clearer, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be breaking more of this down in simple, easy to understand videos just like this. I'll see you again in the next video.